Hi everyone, welcome to Themes Code. Today in this video training, I'll show you how you can create an online course using Tutor LMS plugin. You can start teaching online like the website called Udemy. Well friends, let's get to be started and start creating a course. We will create a course like this one. Here you can see a basic course. Here you can see the intro video and type of the course, material included, requirements, tag, and under the course I have added 2 topics, and inside the topics you will get lessons. But the Tutor LMS plugin offers a lot of features, but I showed it in a simple way. Okay friends, let's get back to the dashboard. Here I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website, and in the previous video I showed you how to install Tutor LMS plugin, and after that we got this menu Tutor LMS Pro, and the first menu is courses. Well friends, there is a controversy. You can configure the settings of any plugin before you start creating content, or you can just configure the settings later. But I personally prefer we will create the course first using this link, and then we will get back to the settings of the course and other setting options later, like this. But in the previous video I talked that I would create a video on tutor settings, but I thought that I should have content to configure the settings. Okay, that's why I'm not going to show you how we can set or configure the setting options, because we need content to see you visually how the setting options can impact on your website. Okay, let's get back, and here we are. We clicked on courses and we got this interface to create a course. Okay, here you can see add new button. Like creating any blog post on WordPress, you can create a course. It's pretty simple. Just click on add new, and here you can see the same interface we use to create a post or page. Okay, the first thing is title of your course. Here you can see the title of the course is website design with HTML and CSS. On the Udemy website, you will see course title. Say for example, this course, Complete Python Bootcamp from 0 to Hero in Python. Okay, let's see, our course is how to create a WordPress website. And here goes the description. If I show you the course on the Udemy, you will find description of the course. Here it is, description. And here goes the description text. So I'm going to use some dummy text. Okay, here we are, loremipson.io website to get some dummy text. I'm going to click copy and get back here, and I'm going to paste the description. Okay, I'm going to paste it 2 times, so it will create a long description. That's fine. Now here goes the course related setting options. Maximum students, number of students that can enroll this course. If you set 0, that means unlimited. Here you can see set 0 for no limits, that means infinity. Okay, I think it should be infinity. And difficulty level, who are perfect for this course? I think how to create a WordPress website, it is perfect for anybody. Anybody can create a WordPress website without knowing programming languages. Okay, here you can see, so I'm going to select all levels. And now here you can see excerpt. You can add a short piece of content. I'm going to paste some text here. And here you can see author. By default it is admin. Okay friends, now here goes an important item, that is course builder. Using this we can build courses like this. Introduction. On the Udemy website, here you will see something similar like this. A topic. Here you can see course overview. That's the topic. And under course overview, here goes some lessons, quizzes. That's all. Python setup, and that's the title of the topic. And under Python setup, here you can see several lessons. Okay. In the same way, here you can see course builder. If I click on add new topic, here you can see course overview, and here you can add some topic related summary. Okay, I'm using this text. Okay, now click this button to add this topic. Okay, here you can see we have got course overview, and here we have two options, lessons and quiz. So we are going to add lessons. Just click on lesson, and here we'll see a pop-up. I'm going to name it Introduction to WordPress, and at the same time I'm going to add some text here, and here you can see you can add a feature image. Just upload feature image. From here I'm going to add this one, use this media, and video source. Okay friends, the popular video source is YouTube. You can add any video from YouTube. I'm going to add this video. Copy the link. Here it is. I'm going to select YouTube, and I'm going to paste the YouTube URL, video URL, and from here you can manage the playback time, and you can also upload attachment. Just click over here to attach this file. Okay, now hit update. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click over this publish button to see the preview of this course at a glance. Okay, here you can see view course. Here you can see our course overview and introduction to WordPress. Okay friends, we haven't added any feature image or we left many things. Okay, now again come over here, add new topic. I'm going to name it choose domain and hosting. This time I'm going to click this button, add topic, and I'm going to add a lesson. Title of the lesson is select a domain name. I'm going to add a video from YouTube. Okay, so update lesson. Here you can see my topic title is choose domain and hosting. I have created another lesson, select a domain name. Let's see, create another lesson, select a best hosting provider. You can add text, add video. Okay, hit update. Well, in the same way you can add course topic and add lessons under the course topic. Okay, let's see what we have below it. Additional data, total course duration that will be visible to your potential student. I'm going to type any dummy data, 1 hour, 20 minutes, and okay, 10 seconds. And benefits of this course. The students will come to know about the benefit of this course. And requirement. What do the students require? They will require personal computer, and you will have to type 1 requirements per line. Personal computer and internet connection. Okay, and who are the targeted audience of your course? Students, homemakers. Okay, and what type of materials will you include with the course? Say for example PDF, videos, and presentation slides. Okay, video, PDF, and video. And here you can see the last section is about video and course intro video. This is the intro video. Here it is, and I'm going to add this video for the intro. Okay, select source YouTube video URL. That's all. So we are done with this part, and let's see what we have on the right side. First of all, we need to create the category of this course. So this is a web development course, so I'm going to create a category for web development. Okay, it is added. And tags WordPress. If you have posted any blog post or create any blog post using WordPress, you will find it super easy. And here you can see you can make this course public. Well, it will be public. And extra related settings and featured image. Just click here to add featured image. So I'm going to upload an image, this image. Okay, why are you taking too much time? Well, friends, the image is selected. Now click set featured image. Here it is. And finally, we are going to hit update. Now let's see the course. I'm going to refresh this page, and here it is, the course page. How to create a WordPress website, and here goes the course description and what will you learn. Build website for your clients and yourself. Okay, topic of the course overview, and choose domain hosting. Okay, I made some mistake. I didn't mention the duration of the course. Okay, and here you can see 2 courses, 0 students, and targeted audience, tags, requirements. It is free, anybody can enroll. Okay, let's get back here. I'm going to check the course builder again and click over here, and here I'm going to add something, video playback 05. Okay, hit update. No, it is hour. I made mistake again. After 2 minutes, video playback time 5 minutes. Hit update. Okay, update this course post. Now I'm going to refresh this page and come over here, and here you can see 2 minutes video and 5 minutes. Okay, that's all. Okay friends, I hope now you will be able to create a course using Tutor LMS plugin. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming new videos. Okay, so hope to see you again in a new video. Goodbye.